how to make different flavors of cake. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll drop them in the description. So I'm going to mix my butter and my sugar together for a few minutes. Everybody makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top, so sweet. So once the sugar dissolves, you're just going to whisk your egg. I'm going to be using my hand mixer to whisk my egg or to mix my egg till it begins to form that foamy kind of look. From the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy. Once you finish mixing the egg, the next thing you are going to do is to start adding the egg bit by bit to your sugar and butter mixture. So you are still going to be using your hand mixer or your mixer for this. But if you don't have hand mixer or you don't have mixer at all, you can also make this with your spatula. So you are just going to be adding it gradually till it's properly incorporated. So the next thing you are going to do now is to mix all your dry ingredients together. I'm just going to be adding my dry ingredient to it. Please, when you are adding your dry ingredient to it, make sure you don't use mixer anymore so you don't over mix. So I'm just going to be stirring it. In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Everybody makes time stand still. So the next thing you are going to do now is to place your batter into 3 bowls. Like you are going to separate your batter because I'm making 3 different flavors of cake. So I'm just going to place this into 3 bowls and it's going to be the same size. If you know you cannot get the accurate measurements, you can use scale to measure your batter for each of the bowls. The first one we are going to be mixing is our vanilla vanilla flavor. So I'm using an industrial flavor for this. I'm just going to be adding a few drops to it. If you are using normal flavor, those small normal flavor, you can use 2 TSP. So I'm using industrial flavor because they are very active. So I just added my few drops of flavor to it and I'm going to mix it and put it into my pan. So that's for the vanilla flavor. Sugar sprinkles on top, so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every bite makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. The next flavor is our banana flavor. So I'm just also going to be adding some few drops of banana flavor to this. I'm also using an industrial flavor for this, so please be careful when using industrial flavor. So I added few drops to it. Then I'm just going to add my yellow color. So your yellow color, you are just going to add it little by little till you get that yellow kind of color. The yellow color should not be too much. So you are just going to add, you see the way I added my color, you are just going to add it like this till you get your desired color.
thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew.
So the last flavor is the strawberry flavor. So how to get your strawberry flavor? You are just going to add 1 tsp of strawberry flavor. Note, I'm not using industrial flavor for this, so you can use 1 tsp of industrial flavor. Then I'm going to add a little bit of my pink color. I normally use baby pink color because there are a lot of pink. I don't use that electric pink color. I use baby pink color for this. So I'm just going to add my little drops of color, then mix it together till I get my desired pink color.
Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Born from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Warm from the oven, joy of brew. Cake so fluffy, happiness grew. In the kitchen where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true. Every slice a taste made just for you. Whisk it, mix it, feel the thrill. Every batter makes time stand still. Sugar sprinkles on top so sweet.
So after getting your 3 flavors, you are just going to bake this on medium heat for at least 50 to 60 minutes. So after baking, this is the outcome. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.